If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, this high-protein, cheesy chicken Alfredo lasagna packs 74 grams of protein per serving and is perfect for meal prep. Start by grabbing your diced chicken breast, add the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, mix it and set it aside. Then in a blender cup add low-fat cottage cheese, the same seasonings, parmesan cheese, fat-free milk, and blend until smooth, then set it aside. Now cook your chicken on medium heat for 5 minutes or until 80% cooked, then set it aside. Into the same pan add diced onion and garlic. Once it has some color, turn it down to low heat, add the sauce and mix well to combine. Spread a bit of the sauce on a baking dish with half of the chicken, 3 instant ones, boil them beforehand, add more sauce, the other half of the chicken, grated low-fat cheese, another layer of lasagna sheets, the last bit of the sauce and more grated cheese. Now bake it in the oven with a cover, then take off the cover, bake it one more time until golden brown and cheesy, equally cut it into. If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, wrap them up. The crunchiest and most delicious, low-calorie and high-protein garlic parm chicken tenders that are incredibly easy to make and a much healthier alternative compared to fast food versions. Start by slicing your chicken into thin strips, then add the seasonings listed on screen or in the caption below, mix it together and set it aside. And to make a super crunchy cornstarch, add the same seasonings used for the chicken and mix it again. Add some of that flour to a separate bowl with some sparkling water, mix it, then add a few tablespoons of that to the flour and mix it until it's crumbly. Dip each piece of chicken in the flour, then in the wet batter and press it back into the flour. Spray them generously with light cooking oil spray, then air fry or oven bake with the settings on screen. Then to a pan on low heat add light butter, minced garlic, chopped parsley, lemon juice and cook for 2 minutes. Once the chicken's golden brown and crunchy, evenly spread the garlic butter across each tender followed by freshly grated parmesan cheese and that's it.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head.